Well, today's project is a 1998 Lennox Value central air conditioner. Comfort air just kicked on, as you heard there. There's the back panel to it. 1998 tin seer, 2.5 ton. And it's missing the capacitor. Don't know where that went. There's your hard start kit. Anyway, let's begin.
There's like a chunk left in there, so.
Doesn't look too bad.
No, it's actually really clean. It's actually not that bad.
And you can already see through the coil. So this really shouldn't take too long.
It's got the old Tecumseh AW solid compressors. While you do that, I'll start getting the hose ready.
There's a screw in here. I don't know if this is the one. This is one of the screws that you took off, or if this was already here.
Just keep it.
Oh, I missed. I was gonna try to throw it on the plate of bolts, but I missed.
I like getting me a plate of bolts.
Yeah, these compressors were built to last.
They were. It's too bad you don't see them anymore.
Wish they still made them.
I think they are. I think they are still using refrigeration component systems.
Not in central air conditioners,
Not in
though.
central air.
What I'm trying to do is get this on to one corner so that I can grab it all at once and then throw it out, but I think the rest might have to be tossed out by hose or just washed in one corner so I can do it then. Actually, there is a good bit of dirt. Let me show this. There's a good bit of dirt lodged between the base pan and the condenser coil.
The hose will take all that out.
Yeah, I'm not too worried about that.
Time to spray with the hose. Ready?
I don't want my camera to get wet, so I'm going to go ahead and move it back.
But look at how well you can see through the coils. Not going to be an issue.
You can see that compressor a little bit of that logo.
Be a big problem, but in this case, it's not a problem.
So get that out real quick. There goes the comfort air again. Ooh.
As well as trying to keep from that.
Sony just died, so I'm now using my phone. A longer jumper had to be found because the one that was initially used was not quite long enough. There it is right there. Had to be fetched in a box of connectors.
Food's ready.
All that needs to be done is assemble, right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put the cam on. Now I need one more screw.
Might just shove it that way a little bit.
Just give me the 5/16.
That's where the hole is.
Just give me the 5/16. I don't know where we got a 5/16 screw from, but
should work.
No,
we found our quarter.
We found our dime.
1/4 inch.
Don't you fall. My magnet is gone.
I don't know why this thing is being so daggone stubborn.
Panel's bent. Fuck. No, it's underneath. Ugh. You shall go in.
Welcome to a day in the life of restoring a turd.
Polishing a turd.
Polishing a turd. New valve caps.
There we go.
After some struggle, we were finally able to get that screw in.
Although it's kind of not having one here.
Oh well. But yeah, this is the final result.
Needs one more screw?
One more screw? Oh yeah, right there.
Done.
There we go. Don't know where this will be stored until it gets stowed. I don't know if there's room in the garage.
Valve caps.
Let's see how clean that coil is. But yeah, there's your
Alright, Chris.
restoration, rebuild, and refurbish of a 1998 2.5 ton 10 seer Lennox Value series straight full air conditioner.
The little cat popped off. I just saw it start rolling around.
That'll be it.
That'll be it.
It'll be the it. Thanks for watching.